Good morning, JS audio radio listeners. Today's special is about Navaratri. Navaratri means our prayers to 9 forms of Durga. Usually in Hinduism, number 9 has a special place. You can say Navaratnam, Navapashanam, Navaratri, Navadhaniyangal, and so on. Everything represents number 9. There is always a power to this number 9. Navaratri is celebrated across India as Dasara or Navaratri. It is the Hindu special celebration all through India. Navaratri basically is celebrating Lord Durga on victory of Lord Durga on the demon Mahishasuran. It is the Mahishasura Mardini celebration. But the clear meaning in it is you have to take victory on your anger, hatredness, and evil thinking about others from your heart. This is taught with the help of this Navaratri celebration. Our Hinduism has lots of meaning in every celebration. We have to see the basis what really they wanted to teach us. As our editor is telling on, there is lots of good things to be taught from Hinduism religion. When you scientifically probe about the celebration in this winter or autumn season, due to this season, there will be lots of skin disease prevailing. We have to take lots of pulses to safeguard from this skin diseases on this specified period. If a person is asked to take all the pulses on this time, they may forget and they may not take it seriously and usually end up in skin problems. To eradicate that, they have initiated this festival. This Golu is kept in all the temples and even at many houses. If you visit these temples or houses in this Golu period, they will have a puja and they will give the spices as the prasadam. On eating this prasadam, the skin disease can be eradicated easily. You will have more resistance power against the skin diseases on this specified season. This is the base of this function and it is scientifically proved. It also educates us with sharing of things with others on this Golu season. And the puja brings happiness inside the home and you can have lot of visitors, your relatives. So love and affection between us will explore. Not only that, we celebrate not only Saraswati Puja but also Ayudha Puja in this season. We have to respect the education that is taught, and Saraswati is the god of education. So we pray her. And even in Hindu, they teach the non-living things like whatever we use like knife, car, lorry, auto, whatever yearns are living have to be respected. Though it is not living thing, you have to respect everything in the world which is given by God. Nothing belongs to you and everything is from Him, and we have to one day reach within Him. When you fall in His feet, living and non-living things are equal in front of God. This is taught in our religion. Hats off to Hinduism to teach all the good things and to respect each and everything in the world, which will all respect you and take to the feet of Lourdes and Goddess Durga. Let the gods showering and blessings on all the people who listen to this, and we pray for goodness all through the world. Thank you. Voice by Rashmi.